Thank you. So everyone, this is Chinmay back again. In this video I'm just going to talk about my finally upcoming Golang course. So now finally I'm just going to start a kind of boot camp, like Golang backend boot camp, and in that particular boot camp course I'm just going to teach you like up to like I just like wrote few topics, and it's like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 or 11 topics. So basically in this video I'm just going to draw a basic outline like what I'm going to teach you in this Golang backend bootcamp course, which will be for like up to a 6 month of duration. So I'm planning to start this course after 2 weeks, because like, I just want to give you 2 weeks to think about it, and then you can enroll yourself, and it is going to be very affordable. So like before I talk about the price of the course, and before I talk about the price of the course, I just want to talk about the topics I'm going to teach you in this course. So one by one I'm going to read out all the topics I'm going to teach you, or I'm going to help you to build like some projects. So the topics are, first of all, the initial first month I'm going to teach you everything from start to advanced level in Golang. So I'll be teaching every single thing about Golang programming, which like whatever you are required to know to behave like a mid-level Golang engineer. I am going to teach you every single thing, which will include difficult topics like structs, interfaces, and like generics in Golang. And like as soon as we'll be completing that particular topic, that particular like segment, we are just going to start creating a REST API in Golang. And this is not going to be a simple REST API HTTP server. This is going to be a highly scalable HTTP server in Golang, which can handle at least 1 million HTTP post request within 10 seconds, or like 7, 8 or 6, 5 whatever seconds, but within 10 seconds. So we are going to build a HTTP server like that, and I don't think nobody is doing such thing. So basically because like as I said, this is going to be a Golang backend bootcamp thing. So I just want to teach you everything from like up to a production level. So that's our point number 3. The point number 4 says that we are going to write a gRPC server in Golang. Again, this server is going to be a highly scalable gRPC server written in Golang, which can handle up to 100k real-time gRPC live streams from a gRPC client written in Go. So like, do you understand what that means? I will be helping you to write a Golang gRPC server which can handle 100k gRPC live streams, and it is highly scalable. Then point number 5 is saying that create a gRPC client in Golang and connect with gRPC server. So basically the gRPC server which we have created in point number 3 in 4, in point number 5 we are going to write a gRPC client in Golang, which will help you to get connected with gRPC server in Golang, and this whole setup can help you to create a distributed server in Golang. And then we will be the point number 6 says that create a rate limiting feature to secure a Golang server. In the point number 6, like after 2 or 3 months since you joined this course, we will be starting writing a like rate limiting feature or rate limiting service from scratch for our highly scalable HTTP server, so that you can secure your server from like DDoS attack. Okay, so we're going to do that. And for implementing the rate limiting service, we will be using Redis, which is an in-memory database which we exclusively use for caching and rate limiting things. Then with the point number 7 says that create a complete authentication flow using Firebase and Golang. So then after 3 months, we will be creating a complete production grade authentication flow written in Golang using Firebase. We will be implementing both types, which is GW token based authentication and the cookie session based authentication. And when we are writing the cookies session based authentication, we are going to use Redis in memory database again, because we have to have Redis running to store our sessions, because Redis is like very fast. So still we can store our session in the cloud PostgreSQL, but if we store it in Redis, it's quite it acts like quite fast, basically quite fast database. So like the retrieval and the saving is quite fast. The point number 8 says that we are going to use RabbitMQ and the Kafka with Golang. So in this course, in the 4th month, I'm going to teach you how you can use Kafka and RabbitMQ with Golang, which like they both are a message broker which we use to scale our services when we work with microservice architecture, or basically when we work with some asynchronous operations. So we're going to learn that. The point number 9 says that we are going to Dockerize everything we have studied so far. So like in general, I will be letting you know how you can Dockerize your specifically Golang project, and because like a Dockerizing thing is extremely important to deploy your Golang server. So we'll be learning how to Dockerize everything in Golang. And the final point is deploy our Golang HTTP highly scalable server with the rate limiting feature on the render.com. So in the end, basically in the 6th month, we are going to deploy our Golang highly scalable HTTP server with the rate limiting feature enabled in it to render.com. So like render.com is extremely easy. Like if you are like owning a startup to like from like 10,000 customer daily or a month, or like up to like 100,000 customers, like 100,000 active customers on like a monthly basis. So render.com is very good and easy to use and very user friendly, like online, like a cloud service provider where you can host your cloud databases and you can host your web services. So we are going to deploy our Golang project to the render.com. So basically by the when I'll be closing this course, this bootcamp, I will be teaching you how you can deploy your Golang project live, and then you can use it as like production. Cheers. So basically we'll be doing that. And last but not the least, we'll be doing something like creating a very simple nextjs front end to just test our authentication system, and while using not the local host base URL but the live deployed base URL. So in the end, we'll be creating a nextjs project to test our backend deployed to the render.com. So this is a basic outline I tried to draw about my upcoming Golang course, and I'm very excited and I'm very happy about it. So I'm just going to start the course in next within 2 weeks, and the details are that the classes will be from Monday to Thursday, daily 1 hour. Timings are not decided yet. Like as soon as I'll be having 5, 6, 7, 8 students, I'll be mutually discussing the timings and all, and then we all will be deciding that. Second, the price of the course. This is going to be a live coding course where every single day from Monday to Thursday for the next 6 months, I'll be there to teach you Golang live. And this will cost you very affordable price, like 7,999. So 7,999 is a price, like 8,000 INR, Indian rupees, is the price of the course which you have to pay upfront to enroll yourself. And once you do that, I'll be with you for the next 6 months, and by the end of the course, I'll be helping you to land an interview, and like how I'm gonna help you to do that. So I will be helping you I will be helping you to build your resume, your tech resume, and then I will be helping you to build your portfolio, tech portfolio, and I'll be helping you to managing your GitHub account on a daily basis. So these 3 things I'll be doing at the end of the course, so you can definitely land an interview if you genuinely follow this course. So I gave you the course description, the timings, and the course price, everything. If you have any doubt, or if you want to ask anything about the course, just feel free to ask in the comments, or just try to connect with me on WhatsApp or LinkedIn. So yeah, thank you so much for this video, and most probably I'm just going to create another short video to introduce this few highlights of this course. And so yeah, stay tuned and don't forget to watch that. Thank you.